Today I am going to unbox a 3-feet teddy which I have bought from Flipkart for 288 rupees. So let's get started. So while opening this pack, we'll need to be careful as this scissor could harm our teddy bear. This time I have bought pink color teddy bear. So this is a 90 centimeters teddy bear which is almost 3 feet. So you can check the quality. So this is how the teddy bear looks. So here you can see the quality of the fur. So here are the eyes. So this teddy bear is wearing a bow. So inside this bow there is some soft material filled. And so now let's check out the feeling inside this. So there is one zip which you can open, and here you can see very good material of feeling has been stuffed inside this. So in future if the teddy gets dirty, you can remove this filling and wash the outer material, and it will be back to new ones. So if you also want to purchase like this type of 3-foot teddy bear, then I would suggest you to buy this one. I have placed the links of the products in the description. You can directly go over there and place your order. So enjoy the video clips of this teddy bear in various angles so that you can get an idea how exactly this teddy bear looks. Before buying this teddy in cream color, I had bought one more teddy bear which was in pink color. I had made unboxing of this teddy bear as well. So if you want, you can check that video. I will place that link in the description, or you can press the I button to watch the unboxing video of this pink colored 3-feet teddy bear. So if you are interested in buying this type of teddies, then I had placed link in the description, so you can directly visit that link and buy it from there. So that's it for today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.